Hello, welcome to MyBedFrames. Today I'd like to show you our massage recovery model. This medium feel 10-inch deep mattress is created and manufactured in our own workshops. We then sell directly to the public, giving you a saving of up to 60%. The massage recovery mattress does exactly as its name implies and offers you a full massage from head to toe. This model has a pulse and wave massage mode consisting of 5 intensity levels and 3 variants of speed. Each of the modes deeply massage, pulsating throughout the mattress, easing all of the knots and aches and takes the pain of the working day away. It's versatile and can be isolated to massage a specific area such as back, neck, lumbar and legs. It has an auto timer that will shut off automatically after 15 minutes, ensuring safe use. This mattress gives a medium feel and consists of 2,000 of our unique curvation individual pocket springs. These work independently from one another and will eliminate any roll together, as well as giving a deep contoured support throughout your body, especially to your hips and shoulders. Multiple layers of hypoallergenic comfort fillings are then hand layered on top of the firm edge encapsulated spring unit. This is our unique edge support system that increases the sleep surface of the mattress. Our exclusive Cool Max knitted fabric is then used. The breathable mattress surface ensures a dry and hygienic night's sleep, as moisture is ventilated through the cover. The Mattress Borders have a stitched border, giving strength and durability to the edge of the mattress, with flag-stitched rotating handles, making it easy to rotate the mattress, prolonging its life. Finally, we fit air vents to allow airflow throughout the mattress, ensuring it's always fresh and clean.